If your Nintendo Switch is not charging and the battery seems to be dead, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Charge the switch. If the switch is not charging and you suspect the battery is having issues, first try to charge the switch properly. Connect the charger to the switch and a wall outlet. Leave it charging for at least an hour even if the screen stays dark. A completely drained battery might not show an immediate charging indicator. Method 2. Try a different charger. If after an hour of charging you find the switch is still dark, then you can try another charger. Sometimes the charger of your Nintendo Switch can become faulty. So, you can use different USB Type-C charger and charge the Nintendo Switch. The Switch uses a unique charging method. Third-party chargers might not work reliably. Ensure you are using the official Nintendo Switch power adapter that came with your console. Once fully charged, try to turn it on and see if this can fix the issue. Method 3. Extend the charging time. If the switch battery is completely depleted, it might take a while to show signs of life again. Leave it charging for at least 2 hours, but ideally longer. If there is still no response after 12 to 24 hours of charging, try a hard reset. Method 4. Hard reset the Nintendo Switch. Locate the power button on the top left of the Switch console, not on the Joy-Con controller. Press and hold this power button for 12 to 15 seconds. Be firm but gentle. Release the button and press it once again, like usual, to power on the Switch. Hopefully this restarts your system and bring it back to life. Method 5. Check the battery. Force shut down the console and then open the back case. Check the battery for any physical damage or if it is swelled up. You can replace the battery and then power on the Switch. If the Switch is under the warranty period, then take it to a Nintendo repair center and seek help without opening it or breaking the seal. Method 6. Power cycle the adapter. Give the power adapter a refresh. Unplug it from both the switch and the wall outlet. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds to allow any residual power to drain. Plug the adapter back into the switch and the wall outlet. This can sometimes reset the adapter and resolve charging issues. Method 7. Check for damage. Examine the official charger for any signs of wear and tear that could prevent charging. Look for bent pins in the USB-C plug, fraying on the cable, or cracks in the adapter itself. Never use a damaged charger. If you find any damage, replace the adapter with a new official one. Method 8. Contact Nintendo. After trying these troubleshooting steps and your Switch remains unresponsive, it's time to contact Nintendo support for repairs. If your Switch is still under warranty, the repairs might be covered for free. By following these steps, you can hopefully diagnose and fix the issue with your Nintendo Switch that won't turn on. If not, Nintendo's support team can help get your console back in working order. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when the Nintendo Switch's battery seems to be dead. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.